Today I'm just doing a quick video to show you guys how to use a new feature that we're rolling out to our clients with respect to how to handle spam or dodgy emails which make it into your inbox. This is specifically for customers of ours who have Sophos phish threat and or our Sophos advanced mail filtering service. So let me just show you now. All right, I'll just share my desktop and move that out of the way. Okay, so here we have our quarantine message digest which has come through, and I can see that there is actually a message in here which I'm not sure who that is. So I'm going to check that out in the release box. All right, and now okay, let's have a look at this. Okay, right, this looks, I'm just checking out the provenance of it. Interesting. It just looks like complete waste of time to me. All right, so it's either a scam or it's spam. Either way, what we've done is that we've now implemented this report message button, which if you feel that the message is suspicious in any way or spam, if you click this button, it will take you, it will basically alert us and let us know, and also it removes it from you so you don't have to deal with it. As you can see, it's just reporting on that, and eventually what it does is go, yep, cool, report, yes, grand. Now if you're also a Sophos phish threat customer, where we're providing cybersecurity awareness training and testing for your organization, and there is a message that a simulated phishing scam that we've sent through to you, at this point it will say congratulations, well done. All right, so this is all part of having your own incident response within your organization, because it gives us an idea of the near misses that are coming through, and also tells us whether you're doing the right thing when you do find something which is dodgy. There you go, that's it for today. Have a great day, and if you have any questions at all, hit us up at the service desk at vertech.co.nz or 09281 4034. Cheers.